In this video, we will tell you about the 14 best money habits that will make you rich before your 40s. All the millionaires practice good money habits, that's why they get richer day by day. Don't skip the video from between or you may miss some crucial information. Now let's start. 1. Set aside enough money every week to reward yourself. Forget about making a budget, just give yourself an allowance. You shouldn't cheat yourself out of the little pleasures that make life worth living, no matter how hard you work. Your weekly budget for fun may be easily calculated by looking at your spending habits over the last 3 months. After that, put your allowance into a separate checking account and have money sent into that account weekly. Carrying that debit card will allow you to indulge in the little things that make you feel good about managing your money. Incorporating self-rewards into your budget strategy makes it that much more intelligent. 2. Acquire knowledge of the term value of money. Every dollar is better off reinvested since the value of money over time is always changing. A further consequence is that the future payment is sometimes useless right now. Having this knowledge and using appropriate discounting factors allows for more effective multi-year savings and investment planning. People also learn about inflation and the impact of compounding from it. If you want to know the best earning tricks, then do press the subscribe button and also the like button. 3. Stock up on supplies. If you buy in quantity, you may save money. A trip back to the store for more is definitely not in your near future when you shop at a wholesale warehouse like Costco. Stores and warehouses can afford to lower their prices since they pay their employees less. Never forget that purchases made for company purposes are eligible for tax deductions. Your bottom line will thank you when you buy in bulk and may deduct your company expenses when you file your taxes. 4. Get more out of your money by utilizing dollar cost averaging. If I can only read the news or timing the market right, I can predict when the market will fall and then invest accordingly. Very few individuals are good at market timing, which is a major flaw in my method since it means I lose out on potential profits when I choose not to invest. Investing a certain amount every month will allow you to ride out market fluctuations. Since the market's ups and downs eventually equal out, this takes the pressure off of you. 5. Be smart with your tax refund. Use your return to settle any outstanding debt on your company credit card. To pay for things like office supplies and business meals, a business credit card is a terrific option. Plus, if you pay your invoices on time, it will raise your business credit score, which means you'll have more credit to pay for things like business mobile phone bills and trips in the future. We like the cashback benefits which some company cards provide since they allow people to settle their outstanding balances, cover extra costs easily. 6. Recurring payments made easy. A large part of financial planning is developing habits that you can really maintain and streamlining your interaction with money. For instance, you may automate all of your regular payments, whether they're for utilities, savings, or loans, so that you don't have to worry about them anymore and have more mental and physical resources to devote to other financial matters. 7. Keep track of all your money coming in and going out. You should be aware of your income and expenditures in order to manage your money wisely. It may seem cumbersome to record each and every transaction at first. It seeps into your bloodstream, however. There are a variety of options for managing your money, including specific apps, Excel spreadsheets, or even plain old paper. The first step in finding ways to save money is tracking where it currently goes. 8. Consistently keep cash on you. Carrying cash instead of using your debit card for every transaction is something that Dave Ramsey, a beloved financial coach of mine, suggests. To avoid going overboard, it's best to pay with cash once you've made a budget and determined how much disposable income you have. When you have cash on hand, you never have to guess how much money you have to spend. 9. Set money aside for retirement. Placing funds into a defined contribution plan, 401k, or individual retirement account, IRA, is a smart move. Set up either on your own or via your employer, these programs allow you to save money without putting any thought into it. These accounts allow many consumers to automatically put a part of their income into mutual funds. How you set up your account, usually according to your age and risk tolerance, determines the kind of plan and where your assets are kept. Save for retirement with the aid of a retirement account. It's a terrific method to secure your financial future. 10. A financial app can assist you. An investing software allows you to set up automated savings and investments so that you never have to worry about where your money goes. One example is the Acorns app, which allows users to set up automated monthly deposits by linking their bank accounts. Just sit back and let the program handle everything automatically. The money will grow on its own. 11. Never let your interest rates get out of hand. The monthly payments that accompany a loan are simply another method to climb the ladder of success, and they may be necessary if you want to keep moving ahead. You should always keep an eye on the interest you're paying on all of your loans, since interest rates are a major factor in whether you reap the benefits of taking out a loan or whether the loan robs you. Do not forget that even a little discrepancy might result in significant financial losses in the long run. 12. Putting off unplanned buys. Refraining from making hasty purchases is one way to manage your money wisely. If you feel the want to buy anything, but are hesitant to do it right away, wait at least 48 hours. If the item is still on your mind after 2 days, go ahead and buy it. Once we leave the shop and allow ourselves a day or two to think about it, we usually forget about the things we almost bought. But if we give in to unneeded purchases, we usually end up with buyer's regret. Postponing the transaction will allow you to save money and protect your wallet against unexpected desires. 13. Make a needs and wants list and make sure they are separate. The line that separates necessities from pleasures, needs from wishes, and requirements from benefits is constantly being redrawn, which wreaks havoc on our budgets. One strategy for sticking to this line is to honestly create a note of all your spending and categorize it as necessities versus desires. After compiling this list, you will be better able to identify your true desires and determine which ones you can control. After all, being frugal requires some strategic spending. 14. Stay informed with articles written by financial specialists. You may keep your financial wits about you by subscribing to the newsletters of respected money blogs. Being abreast with current events will provide you with the information necessary to make consistently wise decisions. That's all for today. Now you know all the best money habits that will make you rich very quickly. I have personally used these money habits, and that's why I have shared these with you. Press the subscribe button if you want to know more amazing financial tips and tricks to get rich. I started doing these from 2 years ago, just after the pandemic, and now I have accumulated over $1 million. All of my friends are also following these money habits, and they are also very successful now. Once you start working and aim to earn more money, then you can easily get rich. You will have to work a little to earn more money. These days, you can earn money online also. You may invest your money into stocks, bonds, cryptocurrencies, real estate, rental properties, and many other assets to grow your money and get richer in life. It took me over 1 month to sort out all the things in proper order and in an interesting way. Do press the like button for this, and also if you enjoyed watching this video. This motivates us to do more research and bring amazing contents. Add a comment below if you are left with any queries or suggestions. Share this video with all of your friends and family members for them to learn. Thanks for watching this video till here.